Hey dudes! Hey dudes! What the heck is going on? You see what I did there? Hack, because LifeHackerMax, you know. Max is away on some world-saving research field trip from what he told me, and he asked me to make this video for you guys. I'm Blinky from LifeHackerMax, and I will be your host for today. So lately, we've been getting a question that keeps popping up in the comments. Can you make a more in-depth video on how to install the Govee Immersion kit on a smaller TV? The only problem with this is the length of the strip. All the other components will work no matter how big or small the TV is. But if the strip is too long, you will have to make it shorter without cutting it, because that will ruin the logic behind the system. In this video, I will show you exactly that. How we hacked the Govee Immersion 55-65 inches TV LED strip to fit on a 43-inch TV. If you want to see the full review and installation process, check out the Govee Immersion unboxing video. For now, let's just fast forward to the part where this smart dude realized that he ordered a larger immersion kit and the strips were too long to be installed on the TV without any modifications. It all seemed lost. And because Govee doesn't have an immersion kit for TVs smaller than 55 inches, we were never going to have cool immersive lights on our small TV. Unless somebody was going to do something about it. And so we came out with this solution. Well, Max did. I only danced for joy a little bit. Be aware that this hack will void your warranty, and so if something breaks, you dudes can't send the strip back for replacement. Also, disclaimer, this is a hack, and as with all hacks, there are certain risks involved, so do this at your own risk. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get down to business. The solution was to bend the strip in such a way that the LEDs will be closer to each other. This will also make the strip shorter and increase the resolution of the lights. But to be able to do so, the silicone coating will have to be removed. The process was pretty simple. You just carefully hold the strip down close to the point of stripping. Be gentle here, because you don't want to strip away any components. In order to unstick the coating from the strip, he pinched the silicone with 2 fingers until it came off. The second step was to install the strip on the TV with the LEDs at an equal distance to each other. These are the steps we took. First, stick the extremities at the desired length. Then figure out the middle of the strip. We did that by counting the LEDs from one side and the other. Now measure the TV, find the middle and stick the LED in the middle of the strip there. Do the same with the 2 halves of the strip and keep going until the LEDs are mounted on the TV. Bring the unsticked folds closer together. This way you will have a larger surface stuck on your TV and the strip won't fall down. Be careful to protect the components when you close the folds. Do it in such a way that the components sit on one side or the other of the folds. And this is pretty much it. Install the rest of the hardware, calibrate your lights, and enjoy! Oh, one more thing. I didn't want to say this, but apparently it's important, so here it is. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment on this video. I'm sorry. He made me do it. I swear I didn't want to. But seriously, if you have any questions, leave us a comment and we will try to help the best we can. Thank you for watching. that's a wrap. Gosh, I hope I did a good job. This YouTube thing is not as easy as it looks.